Hey, it's Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our recovery spot cream. Step 2 in your breakout toolkit, erase any signs of acne with this active reparative recovery cream, fading redness or dark spots left behind by breakouts. It treats unwanted texture and tone and replenishes lost moisture, restoring skin's radiance and clarity. Powered by phytic acid, it gets to work fast, treating the size and depth of the post-breakout marks, safeguarding skin for future flare-ups, while seaberry seed oil promotes skin barrier repair, and gotu kola extract heals and restores skin for a speedy recovery. After resolving your active breakout with Step 1 acne spot treatment, apply recovery spot cream to the affected areas where there's redness, dark marks, or dry skin left behind. Use twice daily as needed. This recovery cream is literally an eraser for stubborn post-breakout marks. It gets to work quickly, working on pigmentation and rehydrating that area. It is the perfect finishing step that my skin needs to bounce back from a breakout better than before.